I take you out for dinner? Hello, Right Recipe for Travel family. It's Cynthia, your host. Welcome back to the show. Today, we're going to dinner. Come along with me to Cut and Bourbon, the upscale steak restaurant that's located inside of Live by Loews in Arlington. I'm going to give you all the details and show you what a treat it was to have dinner at Cut and Bourbon. And stick around to the end. Boy, did I meet some very interesting people. Welcome to Cut and Bourbon, the upscale steakhouse located inside of Live by Loews in Arlington, Texas. To learn more about Live by Loews, including the hotel tour, the room tour, and room review, check out the videos inside of the description linked below. We have arrived. Here it is. My table is ready. So now let's take a quick span view of the inside of this hotel. Nice, elegant, with great ambiance. Let's take a look at the menu. I got it. I know just what I'm having for tonight. Right Recipe for Travel family, I ordered shrimp cocktail. Let me show you what I received. The shrimp were huge. I couldn't eat them all, even though I tried very hard. They were delicious. The smile says it all. Time for dinner. Salmon, please. Delicious, moist, and flaky. Can't forget a cocktail. And my waitress was the bomb. When I told her I was recording this video for YouTube, she bought me this dessert. Take a look at that. Can you believe that's carrot cake? And the sauce was divine. Oh. If you're ever in town, come look up Nakia. She will treat you great. Treat her good. Big tip. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. As promised, let me tell you about some interesting people that I met. While I was there at Cut and Bourbon, I had the opportunity to meet the nicest, coolest couple from Louisiana that you ever did meet, celebrating their 45th wedding anniversary, Monica and Dennis Bell. Come to find out when I was talking to them that Dennis was on season 7 of The Voice. Take a look. It really is the people that you meet in your neighborhood each day, right? Thanks for coming along with us, having dinner at Cut and Bourbon. This is video number 3 in our 5-part series on Texas Live. Thanks a lot for joining us.